Omo guys, subscriber to viewership ratio co balance. What's going on? Help me and subscribe now. Hit the subscribe button. I know you're watching. Please subscribe. Hi guys, this is VINAFRIQ, where we teach you how to make your classic African hairstyles. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a 2-strand twist with a weaving base. If you go through my channel, you know that I've taught how to do one without a weaving base, because there are 2 ways to make a 2-strand twist. For this video is how to make it with a weaving base. So for you to start with a weaving base, you have to divide the portion into 3 sections. I have a very large portion here because I'm trying to show you so it is clear. So you divide it into 3, but it's not 3 equal halves, it's 3 unequal halves. There will be a very big portion and then 2 smaller portions, because it's those 2 smaller portions on each side that will come together to form one big portion that will even out with the second portion. So what you try to do is check and make sure that they are both kind of balanced when you add the 2 together, because it's the one on the extreme left and extreme right that will come together to form one portion that you're going to use. So as you can see, I'm trying to adjust my portion so everything has to be as even as it can be. So 2 smaller portions and 1 big portion. So that the 2 smaller portions should come together to form that big portion and be proportionate to that big portion. As you can see here, this is the idea of it. And so now we're going to start braiding. These are your 3 strands. This is the position of your fingers. You put your index finger through and try to scoop that up while still separating the 3 strands. You have to make sure your 3 strands remain separate. You are weaving them together, but they need to remain individuals. And so you take the one from the back and try to pull it over. Try to smoothen out your braid as you do this. As you can see, I'm trying to get a nice tight grip, and so I pull it over, and then the one on the extreme end, I hold it with my index finger of my left finger, and then I have one at the middle at the back, and then I pull that. So I'm going to do this only about 2 or 3 times. For the 3rd time, instead of taking that braid at the corner, I'm going to pull it together, so that, because now I have my weaving base and the grip is nice and firm at the bottom, and so I will pull that together and make them one. I will join them in unity, like marriage, in the bond of hair marriage. So it becomes 1 strand. So my 2 strands have become 1 strand now, and then now instead of 3 strands, I now have 2 even strands, because remember from the beginning I ensured that the 2 strands on either side were small enough that when they come together they would balance out this side. I tried my best though, even though eventually I still had to kind of even out a little. So now you just twist and twist. So if you remember my previous video of twist and twist basically means if you do your individual twist in the left direction, then you do you put your twist over in the right direction. So it's twist left, put over right, twist left, put over right. So here you can see that I tried to get it proportionate. I took a bit out of the bigger braid to feed into the smaller braid, because it wasn't exactly as proportionate as I thought. So now I'm in my twist and twist. So if I twist to the left, I'll put the strand over to the right. So it's twist to the left, put the strand over to the right. That's what I'm doing. Twist to the left, put the strand over to the right. Twist to the left, put the strand over to the right. Twist to the left, put the strand over to the right. And that's basically what you do till so almost the end. So for this video, because I started with the weaving base, I'm going to also end with a weaving base. I'm also going to end the twist with a weaving pattern, basically with weaving. I'll end the twist with weaving because some people believe it holds it tighter, and so for those people with that school of thoughts, I'm going to complete the tutorial. So I have divided my 2 strands back into 3 strands, and I am doing a 3-strand twist. If you don't know how to do a 3-strand twist, it is here on my channel. You can just click on the icon that has popped up at the top for you to learn how to do a basic 3-strand twist. I have 2 3-strand twist videos. There's the one for the DD, which is a French braid for the people abroad, and there's the one for the general weaving, just normal cornrow weaving 3-strand twist. And yeah, this is your nice twist. As you can see, it's firm. It goes in the direction that you put it because of your braid at the beginning. Whatever direction you did the braid is how it will follow. So for more videos, go through the channel. There are more tutorial beginner level videos, advanced level videos for actual hair patterns that you can do. Nice, beautiful, natural African hairstyles. So thank you guys very much. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was helpful. You can send me pictures. Check out our social media platforms. It's in the description box. And just let me know if this was helpful. Let me know if the video actually helped you, and let me see what you did with it. I'm really interested in it. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I have more videos, interesting videos. Thank you. Bye.